Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's clip on my YouTube channel I will talk about what is Amazon, everything you need to know about the Amazon Mother Factory. Stay with me in the next minutes. This video clip lasts and you will find out everything about what is Amazon, everything you need to know about the Amazon Mother Factory. I wish you enjoyed watching. Widely regarded as the world's largest digital marketplace, Amazon has transformed the way we shop online. The multinational company focuses on providing e-commerce solutions to customers and sellers around the world. Amazon also has another branch of its company that focuses on cloud computing and artificial intelligence. But for this article, we will focus on the market. While many customers still use Google to start their search for essential products, surveys and polls are starting to show that Amazon is actually the most common the starting point for most sales. About 44% of customers start their product search with Amazon, and 40% buy products on the site at least once a month. For those in the e-commerce industry, Amazon can be a valuable avenue for profit and customer relationships. Today, we're going to share everything you need to know about Amazon, where it came from, and how you can use it to your advantage. Amazon is one of the Big Five companies in the U.S. technology industry, ranked alongside Facebook, Microsoft, Apple and Google. It is considered one of the most influential economic forces in the world and has had a huge impact on the way we live and shop. Founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994 out of a garage in Washington, Amazon was originally conceived as an online marketplace for selling books. Quickly, the medium expanded to offer a wider range of products, including video games, electronics, furniture, food, and more. By 2015, Amazon had surpassed Walmart as the most valuable U.S. retailer by market capitalization. Amazon is best known for disrupting the e-commerce landscape, and the company continues to invest in new ways to change the way buyers and sellers interact, such as Amazon Prime or Amazon FBA. Today, the solution makes it quick and easy for customers to find the products they want in a digital landscape. At the same time, people hoping to sell their own products online can go to Amazon to gain instant access to a wide range of customers. According to Amazon, sellers have everything they need to promote products, manage reviews, analyze performance, and generate sales on the platform. In fact, since third-party sellers first started selling on Amazon in 1999, they've come to account for about 58% of all Amazon sales. In addition, third-party sales on Amazon are growing at a rate of about 52% per year, compared to only 25% per year for sales made by Amazon. How does Amazon work? Amazon is first and foremost a marketplace. It enables countless third-party sellers to connect with millions of online shoppers every day. The company's multi-tiered e-commerce strategy means you can engage with Amazon in one of two ways. First, you can start as a dual sharer, which is the recommended option for people who sell less than 40 items per month. Dual traders do not have access to advanced selling tools, but it only costs 99 cents per sale. The alternative option is the professional plan, which costs $39.99 per month and allows you to sell as many items as you want for the subscription fee. You'll also have access to things like selling reports and APIs. In addition, Amazon offers access to a number of additional selling tools, such as Launchpad and Handmade, which can help you find more customers. To start using Amazon, you'll sign up for an account, which will involve entering your bank account number, a chargeable credit card, ID, tax information, and your phone number. Registering to sell with Amazon places your products alongside other third-party products from other sellers on Amazon, as well as primary products sold directly from Amazon's warehouse. How much it costs to sell on Amazon depends on a number of factors, including whether you have a dual professional or individual plan. To sell, you will also have to pay sales fees, which are charged for each item sold, and shipping fees, which are based on the product category and shipping service selected by the customer. Other fees may apply, such as Amazon FBA costs. What tools do Amazon sellers have? When sellers sign up to sell with Amazon, they get access to something called Seller Central, which is an account environment where business leaders can control their selling account, add products, make inventory updates, manage payments, and even access helpful guidance and helpful content. Seller Central provides access to tools that allow you to track inventory and update your listings in a few clicks. With customized business reports and access to templates you can bookmark for future use, Seller Central makes getting businesses online quick and easy. You can also access partner support from your account and track your daily sales. Seller Central is also where you can list your products on Amazon. You'll be able to upload new listings with all kinds of information, including product details, bullet points, images, videos, and more. Your Seller Central environment also gives you access to useful performance metrics like order defect rates, cancellations before fulfillment rates, and even late shipping rates, so you can check if you're offering customers the type according to customer experience. In addition, it is possible to check your customer reviews in your account, so you can quickly respond to any issues that customers want to address on your pages. What is Amazon FBA? Amazon sellers have two options for shipping their products to customers. The first solution is to do everything yourself. This means you have to maintain your own inventory and use local shipping services to ship the items to the customer's address. The alternative is to have Amazon handle the responsibility for packaging, labeling and shipping your products to your customers. If you want Amazon to do the heavy lifting for you, that means signing up for a Fulfillment by Amazon or Amazon FBA account. If you choose to fulfill your own orders, you can avoid paying fees to Amazon for their packaging and shipping support, but you will have to deal with things like storing the items and getting them to your customers, which can be time-consuming and expensive process. Amazon charges shipping rates by product category, so you'll need to find a shipping solution that appeals to you. Amazon's Buy Shipping tool can sometimes help you get a better deal on shipping labels by allowing you to work with a network of trusted partners. Alternatively, with Amazon FBA, you avoid the headaches involved in managing and shipping your own inventory. Amazon currently has more than 175 fulfillment centers worldwide, containing more than 150 million square feet of warehouse space. FBA lets you store your stuff in Amazon's warehouse and take advantage of the company's world-class shipping, customer service and return support. With FBA, you get super saving free shipping and Prime eligibility too. The Amazon FBA fulfillment process simplifies the process of delivering products to your customers and ensures that you can delight your audience with all the right experiences. The Amazon team begins the inventory sorting process, which includes damage assessment to ensure you receive the right quality item for your customers. As soon as buyers place an order, the FBA model automates the process and ships it directly to your customer. How to sell on Amazon? Selling on Amazon starts with registering a seller account. You can do this by visiting Amazon's Seller Central page and clicking the Start Selling button. In particular, you will use this environment later to manage your seller account. Once you've created your account, you can start listing your products on Amazon. If you have a dual selling account, mentioned above, you will be able to simultaneously add one of the products you want to sell to your Amazon Marketplace catalog. If you have a professional plan, you can add product batches. If you're selling products that haven't yet been listed on Amazon, things can get a little more complex. You'll need to start by telling Amazon what your item and storage unit's universal product code is. This is the UPC and SKU. You'll also need to list the product's features on Amazon, such as price, description, and title. Don't panic if you don't know the UPC right away. You should be able to find it. There is an organization called GS1 that develops communication standards for companies and assigns permanent UPCs to products for the entire life cycle of the item. This means that even if several different companies sell the product, it will still have the same UPC. The SKU is similar to your UPC, but will differ in that it is a specific string of numbers and letters. The purpose of SKUs is to help retailers identify each product in their inventory, as well as specific product traits such as brand, manufacturer, size, color, style, and even price. Retailers will create their own SKUs to help them track every piece of inventory they have. Remember, the description of your product that you will add to Amazon is not only a necessity to use the platform, it is also essential to attract customers. The best way to ensure you get sales is to list your products with the features your customers are looking for. Think about things like keywords and what will be most important to your audience. The best tools for Amazon sellers. Amazon is pretty easy to use for the most part, with a wide variety of features and a convenient back-end, where you can find all the tools you need to list your products. Because you're not building a website from scratch with Amazon, there's a lot less work to do. Of course, there are still tools to help you make your sales more effective. There are all kinds of different tools and services designed to help you master the Amazon algorithm, increase the success of your startup, find subscribers for your store, or simply improve the way you use your fulfillment centers. Options include Sellzoni, a toolbox of essential selling solutions designed to give you actionable insights so you can compare and evaluate external traffic sources for any product listed on Amazon. There's also listing protection, keyword research, and more. Amazon Seller App. This is a convenient and free tool for beginners that allows you to figure out how much you should charge for your products based on the prices listed for similar items. Keyworks. This premium online software offers keyword tracking and analysis features to target Amazon search results. You don't have to worry about Google and other search engines because Keyworks has a dedicated rank tracker. The Amazon ecosystem is full of valuable tools for all types of sellers. What is Amazon Prime? Finally, we come to one of Amazon's best-known features, Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime is a paid subscription service that costs about $199 per year or $12.99 per month. Prime members get a number of Prime pricing benefits, including free 1 or 2 day shipping on most items available on Amazon. There's also access to things like Amazon Prime Music, movies, and sometimes ebooks and downloads. Amazon Prime Now, Prime Video and other features even helped Amazon survive the COVID recession. The popularity of Amazon Prime is part of what makes Amazon one of the most effective marketplaces in the world. Amazon sellers need a specific business account to offer Amazon Prime as part of their service. Not everyone will be able to set up Prime as standard. Understanding Amazon, like Netflix, Twitch, and other leading tools, Amazon has evolved rapidly over the years. From its launch in Seattle to the multi-billion-dollar corporation it is today, Amazon is now a major competitor in the digital market. In addition to Amazon sales and fulfillment centers through the Amazon Marketplace, you also have Amazon Web Services, AWS, Amazon Echo and Alexa, Kindle e-readers, Amazon Flex, Amazon Fresh, Amazon Audiobooks and Fire TV. Every year, Amazon seems to come up with new products to offer to improve its profitability. There are even strategic acquisitions and partnerships with companies like Whole Foods to consider. For business owners, this technology company can help with everything from selling your products online for the first time to storing data for your computing needs. The online retailer has a range of Amazon products to explore and is growing by the day. If you like the content of this video clip that you viewed, Elle would be grateful if you would give a like, a share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel at Alexandru to be up to date with everything that is happening. Cryptocurrencies, vertical bar price, vertical bar founders, vertical bar analysis, vertical bar, plus useful details, quality news from any field, places to visit in the world, moments of relaxation, information and news about business and economy, proven and verified methods to start earning money online, culinary networks that will teach, help you become a 10+ chef, videos about animals, reptiles, birds, snakes, medical staff, treatments, health and food,